first time front row.
209 feet.
Oh, it's 209 feet? Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Oh, you got one. Smart.
Yeah.
I tried to yesterday, stopped it.
Really? Are you serious?
That was on my arm.
Oh, okay. Oh, you're wilding. Yeah, you're wilding. The only place they let me do that is Heroines. Here we go, guys. First time front row. Woo! Oh, what the world? Wow! Yo, the flow ejector is amazing. Woo! Oh my gosh! Here we go! Woo! What the world? Wow! Wow! Awesome, awesome ride! Woo! Yeah! Great way. Oh my gosh.
I like it more.
This is an awesome, awesome addition, man. Oh wow. Solid, solid ride, guys. Hey guys, you know what time it is. Front row time on Great Bear. This is the greatest ride in the park. Now I'm just messing around. I really like Stormrunner, and there's Skyrush off in the distance. But this is my first time front row, so let's see how it goes. It's a really quieter chain lift too, thank goodness. Here we go, guys. All right, here we go, here we go. Whoa! Second drop, it's go time. Alright guys, here we go. Fahrenheit 2020, guys. They finally painted the thing. It looks amazing. Here we go. Here we go. Beyond 90 degrees. Woo-hoo-hoo. Wow. Man. Woo. You feel every bit of it, guys. Here we go. Oh, I love that ride.
Now get ready. Here we go.
Oh my gosh. This is Stormrunner, you guys. My first ever ride. This is like my first big intimate launch coaster. Holy crap. This is insane. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Oh my gosh.
Now get ready.
Oh my gosh.
Go.
Whoa! Woo! Oh my gosh! Woo! Oh yeah, baby, hang time. Woo! Woo! Inversions! Woo! Yo! Woo! Yeah, baby. That I have too much room on this. Oh my gosh. Here we go. First time front row. Woo! Oh my.
Skyrush, yeah.
Let's do this. Let's do this. Back row, baby. Woo! Oh! Wow! Woo! Wow! Woo! Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Woo! Let's go. One more. Woo! Oh yeah. And into the brakes run. Oh, this is such a good ride, man. Love this thing. So good. Woo! Oh my gosh. Can't beat this ride, guys. Well, yes you can. Yes, you actually can. Fury 325 for sure. But this is a definitely good runner up, you guys. Such a good ride.